Vmake AI captions, AI templates, and video editor app. So you can just double click to install it. Pretty cool app. Your AI powered talking video studio leverages the power of AI to enable users around the world to create studio quality talking videos on their phones with minimal effort. It helps creators complete the entire chain of talking video production, especially the editing steps. So creates talking videos, AI enhancer, AI removal, AI thumbnail, HD camera, talking photo. So upload your own photos or choose the AI model and let the photos talk instead of you in the video. So quite an interesting app which you can just try to use in here. And then here is the idea. So 3-day free trial, AI templates. So you can just add captions. So for example, I don't know, should I? Okay, so this is just wants me to add AI captions. Then you can use AI thumbnail. You can generate captions, create talking videos. Let's try that out. So if I have the photo, so for example, if I so you can just do all of the standard video editing, templates. So seems it's not moving yet, but yeah, anyhow, I think you can do it in the app that you just upload a photo and then it starts moving. Pretty cool. So, just a lot of different templates and uses for you if you're interested in creating reels or TikTok videos. Then there is some kind of code, discount code for Vmake, which you can use. You can also log in with your account. Free trial, you can also get it for the subscription, and that's what it is.